Shape from texture is the ability to estimate shape and texture from an input image when neither is known beforehand. We approach this problem as a game between three players. The generator is a convolutional network that changes its weights in an effort to make patches that look the same as patches coming from the unwarper. The unwarper attempts to make patches that look like those coming from the generator by applying a field of affine warps to patches from the input image. The discriminator changes its weights in an attempt to differentiate between the two sources of patches. When the three-player game converges, the generator can make arbitrarily large samples of flat texture, and the warp field learned by the unwarper gives 3D shape. This game works for many different texture types, including ones which have required specialized processing in the past, as well as more general textures for which no prior method exists. Our three-player game works well for decomposing an image into its shape and texture, but we would also like to know when this decomposition is unique. We distill this down to the following question. Given a set of foreshortened texture patches, when can we uniquely recover the true surface normals and flat texture appearance? Each foreshortened image patch is obtained by taking a flat patch and applying to it a 2x2 warp matrix. This matrix, when multiplied by itself transposed, is symmetric, so each warp maps to a point in 3D space. We show that in general, the decomposition is unique if the points in this 3D space are not coplanar. This means that 4 patches are sufficient for uniqueness in general, but given 3 or fewer patches, the decomposition is often ambiguous. Although 4 patches are usually sufficient, we use our theory to design a new ambiguous image. All of its warps map to a plane, so there are 2 shape and texture combinations that can exactly explain the image. Come to our poster to see these 3D printed objects or hear more about our work.